Hey y'all, welcome back to Jack's Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. In today's video, we have bacon wrapped onion rings on your pellet smoker. Let's do this, shall we? I'm excited about these because they're so freaking good. I mean, what isn't good wrapped in bacon? I honestly think you could wrap a turd in bacon and it would be good. Just saying. All right, so the first thing you want to do is I recommend starting off with a Vidalia onion because they're very large. I even have some bigger ones. We're just going to cut off the ends here. Give it a peel. By the way, this is the Dow Strong Quantum Series knife I'm using it. Link will be below. Give it a cut here in the middle. About like that. All right, and I'm going to use these outer rings here. We got plenty more onion rings to go, but this will be nice just to show you a little bit of a sample here of what we got going. There we go. All right, so this next step is totally not necessary. I think it works better. The bacon adheres to the onions better. It's just to paint the outside with a barbecue sauce or sriracha. I'm going to be using this Buffalo Wild Wings Mango Habanero. Just pour us a good bit in there. And then what you want to do is just take your outside. All right, so let's get us some bacon here. This is strictly on how you want to wrap it. I like going from the inside here, giving me a little, and wrap it around, and then let's do this. Go all the way out to the other end of that bacon, the edge, just like so. And once you get to the end, go ahead and get you another slice of bacon. It usually takes about 2 to 3 slices of bacon in order to complete the whole ring. And now all that depends on how big your onions are. That's what she said.
She never did.
All right, looks like we're gonna need another slice. All right, that's basically what you want. After you get your rings wrapped up, you're gonna wanna hit them with some type of rub. I'm gonna be using this Elk Creek hog knuckle. And we'll just go over the top. Just flip them over. All right, get all those done and then we'll put them on the smoker. So we've got these little badgers seasoned up. We're about ready to throw them on our pellet grill at 250 degrees. But before we do that, we're gonna let them sweat for about 10 minutes. Also, you can figure this cook will probably take about an hour and a half. We've been going about an hour now, and what I have here is some Trader Joe's sriracha and roasted garlic barbecue sauce. I'm gonna pour it into this container here. We're gonna set that on the grill and we're gonna get it nice and heated up so we can douse these onion rings with it. All right, let's go ahead and pull these. Oh, yeah. All right, let's give these a little saucing here. These are gonna be fantastic. So we got about half of these done here, so which one do I try? I mean, I'm gonna try this ugly one right here. My goodness. Hold on a minute. Look at that. God. Dude. If you have never had bacon wrapped onion rings, you are missing out, guys. Y'all have to do this. Just, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just the flavor on a scale of 1 to 10, it's like a 20. In other words, it's off the scale. All right, guys, bacon wrapped onion rings on your pellet grill Do it.